Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to go over one of the best lines of fifth wheels available, the Keystone Montana. They're full size, with most of them built four-season ready, and they range from 35 feet to just over 41 feet in length and weigh in from 12,000 pounds to nearly 14,000 pounds in unloaded weight. Keystone Montana fifth wheels come in a wide variety of floor plans. Each of these 10 has a sister floor plan, so to speak, with the only difference being the fridge. On to the rest of the 3120, 3121 RL floor plan. A rear living layout, two huge opposing slides create a wide open space in the living area. Campside, the slide pulls out a pair of theater seats and a freestanding dinette. Across the space, you'll find the major kitchen appliances plus an HD TV with an LED fireplace on a slide. Between them sits a kitchen island with a deep double bowl sink. Finishing off the living area are a pantry and coffee station on an interior wall and a large hide-a-bed sofa on the rear wall. In the middle sits a good-sized bathroom with a large shower and pivot hinge door. Up front, you'll find a really well-designed bedroom. There's a queen bed on a slide, dresser with an HD TV above, and a wardrobe closet with stackable washer-dryer prep covering the entire front cap. The 3121/3121 RL can sleep four. Let's continue our Montana journey through the other Montana rear living floor plans with the 3780 and 3781 RL. These are effectively the same as the 3120, 3121 in the back end, only the 3780, 3781 due to length has more living space, plus the living area space now includes a larger pantry and the washer-dryer closet. The bigger difference is the bathroom has been moved campside, the queen bed is in a slide out opposite to the 3120, 3121, and an additional slide is added to the bedroom to pull out the dresser with the TV. In the cap, you'll find a full-length wardrobe closet. Next, onto the rear living list is the 3790, 3791 RD. RD stands for rear den, and this layout has a sweet one. Two hide-a-bed sofas on opposing slides sit across from one another with a pair of power theater seats perpendicular to the off-campside hide-a-bed. On the back wall sits an impressive telescoping HD TV with an LED fireplace. A couple steps down from the rear den, you'll discover a wide-open kitchen design with its own set of opposing slides. The bathroom and bedroom are also set up the same as the 3120 RL, with the washer-dryer prep to move back into the front cap's campside corner. The final rear living floor plans are the 3812, 3813 MS. While the back ends with their opposing slides and kitchen island are nearly identical to the 3720 RL, the front ends are what stand out on their own. A large slide encompassing the bathroom and bedroom houses the bed, washer-dryer prep, and bathroom vanity sink. The bedroom expands in the 3810, 3811 MS to include a window lounge with storage across the entire front cap. The walk-in closet is moved to stand across from the washer-dryer area. The private access to the bathroom from the bedroom via a solid pocket door creates an impressive master suite. The only difference between the MS models is the front cap. The 3812, 3813 MS changes the lounge back into the typical large wardrobe closet. Next in the Montana line are the pair of kitchen-centric floor plans. First up is the 3700, 3701 LK. Not 100% sure what the LK stands for, but it ought to stand for long kitchen, as the L-shaped counter stretches over 10 feet from the back wall toward the front. The fridge and range also sit on the back wall. A single slide in the kitchen area pulls out the freestanding dinette. In the middle of this floor plan, you'll find an open den. Opposing slides pull out a pair of hide-a-beds. Power theater seats abut against the kitchen counter and sit across from the entertainment center LED fireplace combo. Up front, you'll find a well-designed bed-bath combo just like the 3120 RL. The other kitchen-centric model designed to delight the camp cook is the 3740, 3741 FK. Unique, it places the kitchen in the front end with a massive U-shaped dinette in the front cap. Two slides open the kitchen area. A slide holding the range, microwave, and some counter space. Opposite, a slide pulling out more counter and the double bowl sink. The kitchen has a pair of pullouts as well, a large pull-out pantry and a pull-out counter. In the middle, you'll find a den with the pair of hide-a-bed sofas and everything else just like the 3700 LK. In the 3740 FK's back end sits the bedroom and bathroom. The bathroom has the space-saving pivot hinge door and a full-size shower. The bedroom has the queen bed on a slide, its own HD TV, barn door entrance, and allotted space for the stackable washer-dryer prep. Next, I'll take you through the only bunkhouse in the Montana line, the 3854 and 3855BR. Measuring nearly 41 feet, the 3854BR has the space to add an entire bonus room in the middle. This room contains a desk, a hide-a-bed sofa on a slide, barn door entrance, and a queen loft area accessible by a hallway ladder. With the opposing slides in the rear living area and the slide up front for the queen bed, this 3854BR is essentially the 3120RL with the additional bonus room. Now we move along to what I call a dynamic duo of bathroom-focused models. First up are the 3760, 3761 FL sisters. Front living, they have the opposing slide hide-a-beds, power theater seats, and HDTV LED fireplace in the front. In the middle sits a massive kitchen with two more opposing slides. Campside, you'll find the freestanding dinette and its own slide. Opposite, there's a kitchen slide pulling out the major kitchen appliances. In the middle of the kitchen, you'll see a well-designed kitchen island with a double bowl sink. What's unique in this model is a half bath placed just off the kitchen before we get to the bedroom. The bedroom is huge, and combined with a full bath on the rear end of the 3760 FL, creates a true master suite. The bedroom has the queen bed on a slide, closet with washer-dryer prep, and an HDTV. The master bath has a full-size shower and large vanity area with a pair of vanity sinks. The final set of bath-centric floor plans are the 3930-3931FB. These have opposing slides in the rear living area, one pulling out the freestanding dinette and power theater seats, and opposite slide pulling out the kitchen appliances, entertainment center, and LED fireplace. The washer-dryer prep is just off the living area and abuts a good-sized half bath, which utilizes a pivot hinge door. Going up the stairs, we find a very open bedroom with the bed on a slide and a barn door to enter the front bath. This front bath sports a full-size shower with two vanity sinks, and its front cap has a massive closet with shelving. With floor plans covered, let's move on to check out some magnificent Montana features. Inside, you'll find a bounty of amenities, such as power reclining feeder seats with massage and seat warmers, 15,000 quiet-cool BTU AC in the living room and bedroom. LED fireplace is standard on certain models. In the kitchen, delight in the double bowl stainless steel sink, solid surface countertops, and a high-rise faucet with integrated pull-out sprayer. Entertainment is no problem with the Jensen DVD player, 50-inch HD LED TV in the living area, and another 32-inch HD LED TV in the bedroom. On Montana exterior, discover features such as an electric awning with LED lights, drop frame pass-through storage, more ride step-above entry step with strut assist, and heated central outdoor water and convenience center, just to name a few. Keystone Montana fifth wheels are full-size, ready for full-on outdoor adventures, and come equipped with everything you could possibly want to fully enjoy the beauty our country has to offer. With their wide selection, I'm sure you can find the Montana right for you and your family.